Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can check Spotify stats and streams for artists. Alright, so the first method is through web browser. So you wanna open Spotify in web browser just like this, like how I opened. And then before you're in Spotify, basically let's say I want to, know how much plays Billie Eilish got on her new song. What I can do is go and search for Billie Eilish. Searching for Billie Eilish, I can click on her profile. She has an artist profile. Now once you come to her profile, it's gonna show you all this number of plays she has gotten. So in her new power song, she has gotten this much plays. In her new lovely song, she has got this plays. Bad guy, this much plays. So by coming on Spotify, like on your web browser, you can see the number. Oh, I didn't know you could see it on Spotify as well. Well, that solves the problem. You can just go to Spotify browser or Spotify and then look at the plays like this. Now, if you guys want to, watch your own analytics on Spotify, basically you need to have an artist account of Spotify. So as you guys can see, Billie Eilish over here says artist. And if I go to my profile over here, as you guys can see, my profile doesn't says any artist over here because I have a listener account of Spotify. I'm not artist. So to watch your stats, you need to have an artist profile. And to have an artist profile, you need to have published a music on Spotify, alright? So if you have published a music in Spotify, basically what you can do is you want to go on Spotify Artist Dashboard. You want to search for Spotify Artist Dashboard on your search bar. You want to click on where it says Spotify for Artist, artist.spotify.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this dashboard, which is for, Spotify for Artists. And you can, click on Get Access. Once you click on Get Access, you want to click on Login if you already have an artist account. But if you don't, then you can, make an artist account from over here. Once you click on login, you can log in into your artist account, and from there you can check your analytics and your music stat and other stuff.